Hi everyone. Today I will explain how to install ToFEI application in your Android mobile. For this, first of all, we need to go to Google Play Store. Then search Play Store. You can find Play Store icon. Then click on Play Store. After that, you click on search icon and type ToFEI compliance assessment app. Click on search. After that, you have found this ToFEI compliance assessment app, and this is the icon, and these are screen, login screen, mobile login screen. Okay, then click on install button. Once you click on install button, ToFEI compliance assessment app installed in your Android phone. Okay, once it is installed, so click on open. Okay, so there is no need to click on this, just closed is it, and go to their home screen, and thus you can find this ToFEI app icon in your home screen. Make sure before open the app you need to provide camera and location permission for this app. For this, just long press on this ToFEI app icon and click on app information. In app information, you also found manage notification, and below permission. Then click on permission, and you can see this currently there is no permission allowed for this app. So just click on camera, allow it, then go back, click location and allow it. Once it is done, okay, then click on ToFEI app icon. Once you click ToFEI application, default page is open. And this you need to click your state name, or if you do not found your state name, just click other and click on proceed button. Then ToFEI compliance assessment login page is open to the user. You need to there to your respective username, password, and click on login button. For how we have used ToFEI application, you can find in next video. So make sure you can subscribe YouTube channel and wait for our next video, how we have used ToFEI compliance assessment app. Thank you.